Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to leave practice mode in Valorant.
so first we have to get in the range. So click on play. Now click on practice. Now enter any of the shooting range sections. I'll go to shooting test. Wait for the game to enter. Now select any agent. I'll just play Sova. And as you can see, right now I'm in the practice range. Here are the bots. So in order to exit practice range, press escape and go to the gear button. Then press leave match and confirm. That's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.